What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in jQuery. I started my tutorial jQuery like a long time ago. I only did a couple videos, or maybe 3 videos, but I never finished the whole series of jQuery. So we're going to start back up right now. And today's the night, and we're going to do it every day until we finish it up. So today we're going to be talking about jQuery animations. Okay. jQuery provides some basic animation features for showing and hiding elements, as well as a low-level animation functions that can be used to animate several CSS properties as long as they are numeric, right? So also jQuery provides a set of animations effects that you can use right out of the box to give your web application a polished view. As you can tell right here, I have my HTML ready to go, and there is the pretty important elements right here that we're going to be using. We get a button that's an ideal goal, and then we have this div with an ID by the name test div, which is going to be triggering all the different animations that's going to be happening. But let's take a look first at the start animation example that I have. So if I click the button start animation, let's see what happens. So first thing, the width of the box gets wider, right? Then moves to the right, right? Then moves down, and then there is a border. What happens to the border? The border increases. And the last one, it looks like there's a toggle, and the toggle makes it disappear. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the code. Right here, I have my document ready function. As you can tell right here, I got my couple selectors. So I got my go, and also I got my test div. Okay. Um, so all right. So the go selector when is attached to the event handler for the button. So if you click the button, it gets a reference to the div, which is the test div, and this will trigger 4 different animations. Okay. So the first thing that it will be animated, it is the width that I pass an object with the properties that I want to be animated. In this case, it is the width to a value of 400 right here, and then um, it's 400 over a duration of 300 milliseconds, right? And that's what we happen right here when we click the start animation button. The width increases to 400 in a duration of 3 seconds, milliseconds. Okay, and then right here, the next, it is the height. It has a value of 300 and also 400 milliseconds. And then the next one is going to be it's going to move in to the right 200, and then it has like a 500 milliseconds. And this is the makes it move down, which is the animate top, and then the plus equals 100. Wherever it starts at the top, it will just add it to the 100, which is going to be moving down. And then we have the border width, which is 10, and then the slow represents about 600 milliseconds. And then we have the last one, we have the height, and then we have set it as a toggle. And that's what's happening right here. If we click again, we're going to see all of those different events happening right here. When you click the click event, right? Yeah, that's kind of pretty much it. What happened? This is pretty simple animation, and you can add a lot of different things to this one. You can play around if you want to, right? But anyway, that's all the video for today. So hopefully this helped you out in your journey, and we're going to keep doing more videos. Okay, I'll see you next. Okay, bye.